For the drawers, you're gonna want to cut something out of plywood, 3/4 inch plywood here, to about the height of the inside, and just stick it on in the back, and just screw it on in there, and that's where the cabinet, the man, what's that word called? The sliders. They're gonna screw onto there. But if you had side mounting ones, then obviously you do some here. But I have the ones that attach to the back. They attach to here and to the back. So that's what you gotta do. So of these type of sliders, they go back here. Oh, let me. It's gonna sit on there, and back there, there's gonna be on that plywood. There's gonna be one of these where this is gonna slide into. Should bring it to the front and just draw a little line. Yeah, so that's how it's gonna go. Screw those in, and I'll screw this onto that outline, and we'll be good. So screw that back part onto that piece of wood, and just slide this slider. I think they're called slides actually, on there. I messed up because they were too far in. I needed to move them more out. So if you can find undermount slides with adjustable side-to-side back brackets, oh my damn dog, back brackets, it's way better because I needed to unscrew them from the back and move them out to the side. I got two different slides at the bottom, and they adjusted side to side, and I didn't have to do anything to those. You can see I made the drawer box already. It's gonna be pretty simple. So it's this 1/2 inch plywood and 1/4 inch plywood on the bottom. I cut out up to 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch wide, 1/4 inch deep, and then I'm just gonna glue and add nail. Glue and nail them together. You can just glue them together with a hole. And on the bottom here, so a 1/2 inch off from the end, I did a 1/4 inch groove in all 4 sides, and then just slid the 1/4 inch plywood in there. Just measure and slide it in. It's also a 1/4 inch deep, the groove. So whatever the width is, just add 1/2 inch for a 1/4 inch on each side, and that's how you get the plywood size. And this back here is cut off back here. Let me show you. Oh, actually there. Oh, don't fall apart. So it could sit on there. I need to adjust the. Oh my god, my nose. I need to adjust these slides because it goes out and it like spreads apart. It gets further away. So I need to adjust it over there. This one's way better because you can adjust it without having to unscrew. This one kind of sucks. These are two different brands. And yeah, it'll look like this. So you also need to cut a hole so it can, this piece could sit in there. So here's one that I completed already. I just screw the face or the box onto the face from the inside. Yeah, it's pretty nice. There goes that piece that clips onto the slider. Simple as that. So just glue them, nail them, or just glue them. Yeah, so let me tell you what sizes I went with. I don't remember. I don't know how I did it. I think, I know how. Oh, hold on. So these, ow! These are about 7.5 inches apart. So the inside, I think I did about 8 inches. Just because you have all this extra room here. And I did about 8 inches apart. And the height, I think I took away like 2 inches from the height. You could probably go smaller on the box. It's gonna sit on here. It sits in it in a way. But yeah, you don't want to do the same height as this. You can need to go smaller. At least by 2 inches. And the depth, Let's see, I think it's a 21-inch drawer slides or something like that. That's what it says. I don't know how to get that number, but it's all the way back. It's about 21 inches back there. Yeah, that's what I mean. 21 inches. Yeah, simple as that, guys. Also, I really like these slides because you could just take out your whole box without having to undo anything. Now that you got the box made, you have to make a little hole in the back for these undermount slides. I'm gonna go ahead and just so it leaves a mark. I know where to drill. Don't use a drill bit as big as I did, because I made it too big, and on the first box that I made, it needs like a little lip to grab onto. So just make sure you don't destroy the lip, because those hooks, they hold the back of the drawer box from going up. You don't have to go too deep. Don't go all the way through the plywood. And it's almost done. Now you just attach the little clips that clip onto the front. Very simple. And that's all there is to it. Once you attach these, you're done. There's like little knobs on the bottom of these, little hinges, little clamp on hinge things to adjust the height on them, so that way that the face is even. But yeah, you just throw this on, just slide it back, and you'll hear it clip on. And that's how easy it is to make these drawer box undermount sliders. Undermount sliders are so easy to do, but they're so damn expensive. But they're so easy and so nice. But so expensive. But so nice. So yeah, it's very simple to make these drawer boxes the way that I made them here. Nothing too complicated. Also, you can probably make them simpler, but I like the way they come out here. As you can see me showing off that I drilled too much off of the back, so it's not holding on to the back anymore, but we're done. Thanks.